Unleash the power of advanced AI directly on your Mac, without relying on the cloud. Today, we're diving deep into running the impressive DeepSeek AI model locally on your macOS device, opening up a world of on-device artificial intelligence experimentation and development. Our first crucial step involves preparing your Mac with the right software foundation. This means ensuring you have a robust package manager installed, which will streamline the installation of all the necessary tools and libraries we'll need. Think of it as building the perfect workbench for our AI project. Next, we'll focus on acquiring the core components. This involves downloading the fundamental programming language that most AI development relies on, and then obtaining a tool that allows us to easily manage code repositories, which is how we'll get access to the DeepSeek model itself. We'll also ensure your terminal, the command line interface of your Mac, is ready for action. Now comes the exciting part, getting your hands on the DeepSeek model. We'll use our previously installed code management tool to download the model files and its associated code directly from its online repository. This process can take a little time as these models are quite substantial. Once the download is complete, we'll organize these files into a dedicated folder. This keeps everything tidy and makes it easier to manage your AI project. Proper organization is key for smooth development. The next critical phase is setting up the model's specific dependencies. Many AI models require specialized libraries to function correctly. We'll install these, ensuring they are compatible with your Mac's architecture and the DeepSeek model itself, allowing the different pieces of software to communicate seamlessly. Finally, we'll fine-tune the configuration. This involves making a few adjustments to tell the system precisely how you want the DeepSeek model to run on your hardware. We'll adjust settings to optimize performance and tailor it to your specific experimental needs. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've successfully set up and are now ready to run the DeepSeek AI model locally on your Mac, empowering your creativity and innovation right on your Apple device.